A very good morning, my dear students. So, in this PPT, we will have a discussion on unbalanced assignment problem. So far, we solved assignment problem with maximization, minimization, and with balance problem. Okay. So now this problem we have to solve unbalanced problem. Okay. So the question is given like this. So a city corporation has decided to carry out road repairs on a main four arteries of the city. The government has agreed to make a special grant of price of rupees 50 lakhs rupees towards the cost within a condition that the repair to be done at the lowest cost and quick time. Okay, the condition warrant a supplementary token grant will also be considered for the some favorably. So the corporation has floated tenders and have a five contractors have sent their bids. In order to expenditure the work, only one road will be awarded to another one contractor. Find the best way of assigning a repair work to the contractor and the cost also minimize if it is the necessary to seek the supplementary grants. So what should be the amount of soft that which on of the five contractor will be unsuccessful in his bid? Okay now, so this is a question they given for conductor, that is we have to make a, the government has agreed that a special grant is released, that is 50 lakh rupees for mm, for doing a road in a corporation, in a corporation. Okay, so the road has given here road fours are there, they given road 1 2 3 4 and corporation 1 2 3 4 5 is there. So here just to observe in the box, so corporation have a five different places, that is five department. So five is there and road are four is there. So just if you want to solve any assignment problem, both should be equal, number of row equal to number of columns. So in this case, columns are here 1 2 3 4 5 are there, rows are 4 are there, so it is not match, it is a mismatch. Okay, so the given problem is unbalanced. In such a case, in such a problem, in such a unbalanced problem, we have to make it balanced one, then only we proceed for the further next steps. Okay, so how to add such type of in a such type of problems? Okay, here columns are 5 are there, so you add a dummy column in front of r, that is a row 4. Okay, so I shown here wrote down as it is, here dummy you mention, so that the given problem is balanced. So first step, if you want to solve any assignment problem, means just to check whether the given problem is balanced or unbalanced. So though if it is unbalanced, means in row or column just to add a dummy row so that it is supporting file. Along with this is nothing is taking this amount. Okay, what they given 50 lakhs rupees in the question, they'll take only the remaining, they just it is a supporting dummy column, no, without you just make it balance one. Okay, so after balancing, now you check number of rows are equal to number of columns. Okay, next second step is, so that is the next same procedure for row reduction, column reduction. For the main purpose of doing row reduction is to get a single zeros in every row. So it is after adding dummy, so it is in almost all the rows having a dummy zeros. Okay, so no need to go for subtracting the least value from the row wise row reduction method. So directly go for the column reduction method. So in the from the row 1, then the column 1 least value is 0, second also 0, third also 0, fourth is 0, fifth is 0, so remaining everything is 0 0. Okay, after this, need to get a assign the values. Okay, from the first row single 0 you assign and remaining, so your first in a first column 2 zeros are there, not assigned, and second also 2 zeros are not assigned, in third single zeros are there, you delete it. Okay, so r4 you delete the line. Okay, delete. Next c3 you deleted for the column. Next c4 also single not there. Next you go and c5 single zero is not there. Okay, leave it. Okay, now you go for column wise. From the r1 single zero is there, assign, delete the horizontal row. Okay, again it is as third. If you go for first, that is first deleted, and if you go r2 again it is a single zero is there, you have to mark, assign a zeros and dark the line. I can go for c5, so nothing is there. After this editing, after deleting, you are assigning only 3 jobs, but number of jobs are more hours, that is 5 is there, so it is not mismatched, the solution is still optimal. Okay, so second column is there given, so deleted. Okay, next, so if it is optimal, again go for doing the subtraction method. Okay, so last column is undeleted line, that is 3 3 3 1. So here 1 is the least value among the cell. Okay, so where the cross lines are there, that least value you have to add it, and where it is unrelated, that you subtract, you will get a new matrix. Okay now, so remaining values you write as it is. So here cross lines are last are crossed, so one that you add it. So here 1 1 0, okay, that is assigned, and 1, okay. Here next is where you add means where it is where if you subtract means where it is unrelated. So here just to observe here, at the C5 is a full unrelated, just to subtract one from each. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again go for assigning the job. Okay, so go for column wise you assign, so that is modified matrix is there, just you go for column 1, that is row 1. So you also, that is a single 0 is there, just to assign that one. Okay, the remaining is deleted. Okay, from the first row there are two zeros are there, so you are not supposed to assign. Come for second, only single 0 is there, you assign and delete. Again go for third row, again two zeros are not nothing. C4 again two zeros are there, and fourth, okay, your only one row is going to assign in a row wise, and column wise you go and assign already. Go for row 2 is single 0 assign, and row 3 also single 0 they have assigned. Again row column R4 is single 0 is there, that is because it is previously deleted, assign. So now your assignment is single 0 is over. Okay, now you check whether the solution is optimal or not. So here how to check it optimal or not optimal means, so number of squares should be equal to number of rows. Here 1 2 3 4 5 are there, number of rows are equal to number of 5, so the given solution is optimal. Okay, so now total the solution is optimal, so number of processing time or allocation time is 5, therefore the total cost is 19 plus 7 plus 12 plus 16 is equal to 54. How you got 19 plus 7 plus 20 plus 16 means, so for first row first job you are assigning third, so from third in the given question value is 19. Okay, again similarly second C2 R1 you are assigning that in the given question at that place the value is 7, so like that, so you add, you will get a 54. That's about the unbalanced problem. Okay, now total 54 rupees is required for the completion of this road. Okay, I hope you understand. So similarly they given, find the best way of assigning the repair work to the contractor also. So same you wrote C2 C4 C1 C5. If it is necessary to seek the supplementary rent, what should be the amount of shop? Okay, so 54 minus 4 you have to reduce, it is in a 4 lakh rupees. So the third contractor is unsuccessful because he getting a very less amount, so it's a less amount. Okay, so I hope if you want to stop here also you can stop. Okay, but in the question they give no sentence, you write this also. Okay, I hope you understand this unbalanced assignment problem. So thank you very much.